everyone, my name is Rebecca Grace and I'm a Squarespace expert and website designer. Today we're going to be talking about how to replace the social icons in the header. So when you add social icons to your header, you'll see that the icons and the logos of those platforms automatically come in, but sometimes you may add a platform and come across a little link icon like this. So I do have a link above this video that shows you all of the available platform logos. So if you add a link to any of these platforms, you'll see that these logos will automatically go in. And there's quite a few of them. But you may come across a platform that you use that Squarespace doesn't have an available logo for, and so you get this link icon instead, or maybe you just don't like the social icon, that the logo that they're using, and so this is how you can replace that with your own custom logo. So the first thing you'll need to do is prepare the image that you want to replace the icon with. This works best if it is a square image. You can do that in Canva if you like. So if you open up Canva, then you can create a custom image that's like, let's say 100 pixels by 100 pixels, and then just copy and paste the image in and just center it within that so that you have a square image. It does work best if it's square. So then once you have that prepared, you'll want to go to Design, Custom CSS, and copy and paste the code below this video. Now you'll see your first icon here disappear, and that's because I automatically have it set to replace the first one. So what you'll need to do is scroll down here and click on Manage Custom Files, and you're going to add the image that you've prepared. So I've prepared like an Airbnb logo. And then you'll have to come over to where it says background image URL. You're going to delete the word image URL and then just click on Airbnb. So make sure your cursor is between the brackets and then click on the file that you uploaded. It will automatically insert the link. And you'll have to do this in two different places. So you'll see it here and then you'll see it down below as well. So put your cursor in between the brackets and then click on the file you added in order to insert the image URL for that image you uploaded. Now the reason that it's in two places, the second one is for the mobile menu and this first one is for your desktop menu. Okay, so you can see it's replaced my first icon here, and if I go to mobile view, it's replaced the first one there as well. Now if you don't want to replace the first one, maybe it's the second, third, fourth one, all you need to do is change this 1 here to a 2 or a 3 or whichever, and same with down here, you'll have to change it from a 1 to a 2 to a 3 and so on. If you do not have a square image and it is maybe overlapping or doing something funky here, you can change this 100% to two numbers representing the width and the height. So for instance, you could do 20 pixels and 25 pixels or something. In my case, my image is square, so that's stretching my image funny. But you can always add in widths and heights here. Don't forget to also do it down here as well. And that is how you replace the social icons in the header for both the desktop and mobile view.